He's sliding it out of there and into the next one. Really, I mean, that's cool to watch. But
that certainly grabbed Mark's attention. I think we're on board with him now. In fact, Mark was struggling in that second sector this morning. Heart in the mouth there for team manager Alberto Poo. Marc Marquez is having moments galore, isn't he, Simon, today? I mean, he's clearly at the moment struggling to get that rear tyre hooked up.
What are we going to see here? Just rear. Fantastic.
As you mentioned, it's so easy to make a mistake there. Trail braking hard to get yourself set up for those final two corners. That's going to catch a lot of guys out this weekend. Oh, Jack Miller. Careful there. You could just see there. You've only got to be, what, a fraction offline. That Ducati struggling for grip. So that just shows you've got to be so precise around this circuit.
Ooh. Wow. Oh, gosh. Zonta. Probably not done that before just yet. That'll give you a shock. Ooh, that was a close one for Chantra.
Rear nearly came round on him. He was probably leaning on the rear brake as he was leant over there.
Ethan Guevara, wow, really pushing the front. Somehow he stays upright. So we haven't seen any notice of any kind of crashes. We haven't seen a single crash all day yet, unbelievably. That's perhaps the closest we've come.